Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. International workshop organized by Department of Chemistry, Government Degree College for Men, Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. Workshop on environmental sustainability. Dates 28 January 2022, time at 10:30 am, platform GoToMeeting. Competitions on innovative solutions to environmental problems will be conducted in the workshop. Cash prizes are available. First prize 3,000 rupees, second prize 2,000 rupees, third prize 1,000 rupees. No registration fee. Invited faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided. Registration and WhatsApp link in description. Subscribe my channel. Ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share and comment.